What's up, beautiful people? All right, so we're back with another one, testing out the Alpha the Smart Door Lock. But what can I say? They got me. I saw a good amount of complaints for this setup, so definitely we'll be passing this on to Miley for expertise. Oh, that's cute. They gave you a whole cutout guide. All right, now let's get into meat and gravies. Gravies. I sound like I'm hungry. All right, so that's actually pretty dope. It's all touch screen. Oh, okay. Oh, does it move? Alright, so it only goes left or right, not up or down. And I like this, the flushed options. Let's see. Alright, parts and pieces, screws. Alright, and they send you to turn emergency keys just in case. Alright. Nice. This is actually pretty good quality wise. It is really heavy. Oh, the whole thing opens up. Alright. Pretty dope, pretty dope. Ah, do they send batteries? Maybe it's in this box. Oh no. Wow. Alright, parts for the door lock. So, only suggestion on this, I wish they would include batteries. So now I gotta go find batteries, but I'll get it hooked up, test it out, let y'all know